Hello everyone, in today's video we will learn how to install Zoom app. For this, go to Play Store and write Zoom Cloud Meetings. Install this app. Now it's open. Now click on a sign in button. You can sign in with any Google account you want to use. You can write down birth here and you can sign in with educator or as a student. Now Zoom app is open. It's connecting. Click on a not now button. Get started. Here there is an option of more. Click on that. Above is a like here education villa is written. You can write the name of the student, class and section there. Now how to learn joining. Like here link is there. You can click on a link like this and open with Zoom. And here this is connected. I hope you will understand. Thanks for watching.